particularly the disenfranchised groups within the state. So these women have been around for 19 years. And I'm about to tell you guys some of the things that they've done to help our people back home. We hear about a lot of non-profits and 501c organizations, and sometimes we don't really know what they do. Sometimes we just give money and say, okay, I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe they'll get something done, who knows. Let me tell you what these women have done in the past 19 years. I'll give you a summary, it won't be long. The original exclusive ladies of Enugu State built a one-story building, motherless babies home, an orphanage in Enugu, okay, and they also furnished the home. They provided home supplies for the children in the home. In fact, these amazing women came back 2 years later. After they built the home, or they built the home, they furnished the home. They came back 2 years later and built an upstairs, a second level on the home, which of course, able to give more rooms, more space for more orphan children. These amazing women also provided full scholarships to several smart and intelligent children to attend universities. The children's tuitions were covered for all 4 years, from freshman all the way up to the senior year, paid for by the original exclusive ladies of Enugu State. I mean, come on now. These children, many of them, you guys know, a lot of it, we all know how things are back home. Things are tough for a lot of people. School fees are high. To take someone's child that's not your child and pay the tuition up to graduation, that's big. And they did it, this organization did that. That's not all. From the beginning, the original exclusive ladies of Enugu State consistently and proactively carried out signature medical missions that provided unique interventions that effectively addressed thousands of complex, diverse medical and surgical illnesses with a very high success rate. A success rate of recovery, healing in the villages and towns that they visited. Thousands of free surgery. These are surgeries. Everybody knows how much surgery is cost in America. So the exclusive ladies of Enugu State will recruit doctors, professionals from America, and fly them down to Nigeria and perform surgeries on people, our people. And thousands of free surgeries were performed on men, women, and children, and many lives were saved. That's not all. While on these medical missions, the original exclusive ladies of Enugu State provided numerous medications, free medications, medical supplies to thousands of underprivileged in the region, saving even more lives. So they literally not only took doctors, nurses back home, they also took shipments of medical supplies, medical equipment. Every year, for 19 years, the original exclusive ladies would partner with the national body, Enugu USA. Every year they would partner with Enugu USA, the national body, to provide Enugu school students educational resources such as books, school desks, and other necessary school supplies. And it's known for most of us here, every year Enugu USA carries out a medical mission. Original exclusive ladies of Enugu State usually partner with them as well. Recently, the original exclusive ladies carried out a breast cancer awareness program and surgical cancer treatments for thousands of patients in Enugu State, Nigeria. And just this last December, 2018, the association donated several pieces of dental equipment, because we can't forget about the teeth. You know, the doctors have been going for years and years saying, you know what, some of our people have bad teeth, we have to help them out. So they donated dental equipment so that the dentists over there in Enugu can use those equipment to help our people. and they were donated to Park Lane Hospital. Those who know Park Lane Hospital in Enugu, that's where the equipment was sent to. These amazing, beautiful, elegant, classy, intelligent, very generous women of the original exclusive ladies of Enugu State deserve a huge round of applause for the philanthropy, the blood, the sweat, the tears, the money, the time, resources that they have given our people back home for the past 90 years. Please, let's give them a round of applause, please. I mean, this is a lot. So I pretty much gave you a summary of everything that most of the things that they've done for the past 19 years. They've saved lives. They save lives. I always say, like my wife said, I always say on Facebook, we can't keep waiting for the government. Whether it's Harry or Jonathan or whoever, APC, ABC, XYZ, I don't care. We can't keep waiting on our government to help our people. I'm a Semper Fidelis. I'm from CIC Enugu. That's where I went to high school. Okay? Let me just say that my point is we can't wait. We have to do what we can do to help our people back home. We can't wait on the government. That's my whole point. So CIC Enugu themselves donated $1.1 million in the past 10 years to build dormitories and other structures at these schools. So my point is the original exclusive ladies have been doing this for 19 years. Millions of dollars that they've spent to help people back home. Now, we are here in 2019, and these amazing women are ready to do more, and they need our help. This gala, this fundraiser, this mission this year is Operation Support the Villagers. The reason why we're here tonight is Operation Support the Villagers. This is the next project, and everybody here has the opportunity to be part of this project. The money from tonight's fundraiser will be used in over 30 villages to provide food, bags of rice, bags of beans, drinking water, medical supplies, clothes, shoes, mosquito nets, preventive malaria medications, school supplies, and so much more. Okay? That's not all. There's one more thing we're doing tonight. A percentage of the proceeds of the funds tonight is going towards supporting St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. A lot of us are dealing with the hospital. They help children with cancer. So what the original exclusive ladies are doing is like, let us help. We're all here in America. We live here, we work here, we raise our children here. They want us to give a percentage of the funds to help those children at St. Jude's Hospital. The best decision that we can make tonight is to donate to the original exclusive ladies of Enugu State Association, 501c3 a non-profit organization, to help them help our people. So everybody in here is contributing to the welfare, the well-being of our people, of our families back home, by just raising donating money tonight. So please, I mean, the fact that you're already here is great. But tonight, I ask each and every one of you, including myself, let us do more. Let us help these amazing women help our people back home, provide for them. Remember, Operation Support the Villagers. Please donate. Thank you. God bless you.